Stalking its prey, it uses the same ambushing style as its big cat cousins. It shows what skillful and audacious predators cats can be.
Pan fishing is fun because all it requires is light tackle. Today I'm trying out fake maggots by Berkley. They look like tiny stubby white worms which are doused in a fluid for scent. I'm presenting the bait on a very small size 10 hook. Will panfish go for this micro-sized artificial bait? Thanks for joining me, and let's do a quick test to find out. Hey everybody, it's fall time and it's 70 degrees. There was a cold spell about a week ago. Now it's warmer again. It's like summer. It keeps fluctuating, but hey, I don't mind these Indian summers that go deep into fall time. Try to catch fish before it gets too cold. I mean, the season of fall just seems to go by so quickly. I don't know. What do you think? Fall goes pretty fast for you too? It almost seems like a blink of an eye. Sounds like a pterodactyl. Those egrets. The bad news is I'm not marking any fish. So I really have to do my work to find them. I'm gonna try some maggots. Fake maggots, that is. From Berkley. Wow, feeling a lot of bites on this one. It's really trying to attack this maggot. Got it, whatever it is. It's nice, sunny. That is awesome. It was biting aggressively. 7.5 inches. And what I used is the Gulp Maggot. Usually you use these kind of maggots for ice fishing. So essentially I'm ice fishing in the fall time. Look at that. That's a beauty. I know you're gonna kick. I know you're gonna do it. Go ahead. Oh. You used up all your energy to get that maggot? Okay. Oh no. So that's what I use. A maggot pencil drop shot. And that's about 15 inches separation. Still biting. Come on. Yeah. I got it. I got it. Oh, big yellow perch. Ay, ay, ay. It's a beautiful yellow perch. Feels hefty in my hand. Going for the grub. Oh, no, come on. I'm gonna show you off. That is nice. The beautiful orange fins and stripes. This little fake grub does the job. And it stayed on. Let's keep it going, man. There's another one. This one feels good. What is it? Oh my God. Eight inches. Oh, knocked over my grub canister. That is awesome. It was high hiding. It was hiding under that overhanging tree. That's a beauty. Oh. Look at my grubs falling all over the boat. One lesson, don't do what I do. I kept the cover off when most of the grubs fell into the boat. Now it's a mess. Bluegill City today. Oh yeah. That's fish number 4. Bluegill number 4. Fish number 5. The maggot is rocking it. It's a yellow perch. Smaller, much smaller. Now you can see how small they get. The first one is nice and big.
What's that?
Are you going for pike now?
Yeah. I've guided out of here. I just retired from it.
Oh.
I did 3 seasons of it. I just didn't want the pressure anymore. This season's been extremely tricky. And, the client said, it would be okay, depending on the customer, that, okay, panfish would be okay. So, like, I know a couple pockets that are pretty much, you're going to have some action. But then some guys, want to catch I was going to know them for the pike. So it's not like a number 2 at McDonald's, like, you just can't order it up.
Nope. A bass, I got a bass. Oh. It let go. It let go. Oh! I think I got a bass finally. A bass will do. Any bass will do. Oh, it's barely hooked. Barely. Oh! I'm on the map with a bass. Nice largemouth. Tiny guy. You're about the same size as the bluegill. Check this out. It's about the same size. The bluegill's huge and the bass is small. My Rapala BX Brat caught the largemouth. You're gonna stick up your dorsal fin, please? No, you're not. You're sad. Okay, I'll let you go. I'll let all of you go now. Yellow perch first. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. My fishing on this fall day, just finessing with the Gulp Maggots. These are tiny, come in this canister, and look how many there are in there. You just put it on a small hook. I use the drop shot. Get out there if you can. Enjoy if you like canoe, kayaking, or whatever way you like fishing. Maybe from the shore, of course. But thanks so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on my Outdoor and Nature channel.